Web.com is a user-friendly platform that enables individuals and businesses to create and manage websites without requiring extensive technical expertise. Here's a concise guide to getting started. Sign up and choose a plan. Visit Web.com and create an account. Select a plan that aligns with your website needs, considering factors like e-commerce capabilities and marketing tools. Select a domain name. During registration, choose a unique domain name that represents your brand or personal identity. Utilize the website builder. Access the intuitive drag-and-drop website builder. Choose from a variety of pre-designed templates suitable for different industries. Customize your site by adding text, images, and other elements to match your vision. Enhance functionality. Incorporate features such as contact forms, blogs, or e-commerce sections to engage visitors and meet your objectives. Optimize for search engines. Use Web.com's SEO tools to improve your site's visibility on search engines, driving more traffic. Publish and maintain. Once satisfied with your design, publish your website. Regularly update content and utilize Web.com's analytics to monitor performance and make informed adjustments.